Krumjari, ELITETV Manipuri top headlines being W Punampu, Taramnokjari, Hosfabu like Bamare Pausing Pizari. Handa grass grown a Yumbu Oidana Pang to Kiba Commonwealth Games the gold medal Loduna, Game Asigi edition Ahumda, Tangana gold Loduna, head trick Wabangam Krabi, Mirabai Chanuna, Lakiba Asian Games Asida, medal low rabadi, Olympic medal low Rehina, Kanganihana Fondokray, Game Asidagi gold medal from the Bamatung, India, Tundaravada, Pog Agency, Malim Uena, competition kaya da medal lobang ngam su Asian Games dagi medal lobang ngam dra lady haina fongdoke. State level digital governance, AI, cyber security and scaling in matang da nomangoba Microsoft ka collaborate toba workshop ke tharam amang ngasi Government of Manipur Department of Information Technology na sinduna Manipur khida leiba Civil Secretariat ki main conference hall da third floor South Block da pangtokray. Tharamadu da Chief Minister of Manipur Sri Namkhem Chan Singh, Government of Manipur ki Additional Chief Secretary Vivek Kumar Dewangat IAS amadi Microsoft India ki Chief Technology Officer Khetri Asanana Chief Guest of Honor amadi President Oina Saruyaki. Government of Manipur ki Planning Department Sinduna Numitare ni Chupna Chathagadaba Entrepreneurship Development Program Ngasdagi Babu Parada Laiba Department Sigi Training Hoda Hodukray Ramaduda Government of Manipur Planning Department ki Special Secretary Nailantang Thailand IAS PMB Circle Office ki Assistant General Manager Upendra Kumar Badi SBI Imphal West ki Assistant General Manager Priyo Kumar Singh Miyay Singh Asina Chief Guest of Honor Amadi President Oidina Ramaduda Saruyaki. Indian Oil Duran Cup ki drama kontra mga suba edition ki Imphal chapter ki oina ngasi madi suba match oina Neroka FC amadi Indian Navy ka khusana nagani Kumalampang Men Stadium da team anina akan malamba tong nagaduri Neroka FC ki oina di ngasi ki match asi yamna maru oiba match amo oigaduri mamangda draw wa sana bada panjal amata chanaba ngamdana draw chatkibani. Bharat ki Parliament ase democracy ki khwadagi wangba forum amani khana nainafam amani masida slogan lawfam natte haina Lok Sabha ki Speaker Om Birlana fongdokray Birlana makhatana Business Advisory Committee ki meeting da sarukyari ba party pumnamake lujingba singna Parliament ase ningthina mathau tawhanba yanaba appeal sitawki. Assam ke singi jaw ki phibam khara makai phagalabasu i jaw ase laikidabagi mi gi masing hengatpaga loinana hauzik phawada marfumapan yokrai Assam State Disaster Management Authority in piba report ki matung ina Sibasagar district na i jaw dagi khwaidagi sokpa district am ori handaki jaw asna mi lakh anigi mathakta chawna tretheng tiri awabataraba imung singda state government gi maikedi pangba yaba mating sing pangna ba honari hanya lenga ki authority na fondrokni. Assam ko yumlan naba Nagaland da mining ki thabak thoram kaya paikhalibasina Assam da trahi khuringi isingi jok thokhanbagi achouba maram ama oiri haina fongdokdari ba sigi matangda Assam ki Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarmana lona yadaba mawongda mining ki thabak thoram sing paikhatanaba center da isu asigi matangda wakalagani haina fongdokrai Sarmana Nagaland da paikhaliba mining ki thabak thoram singdi Assam lenga ke jurisdiction oidabana thingba ngamloi adubu lo kaida tawbadi yaroi haina maamna makhataki. Hanagi Bangladesh ki Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina na New Delhi da pangthokaduriba Virtual Media Interaction Program masiliba asigi matangda Indiana program asile yawba leite loina thoramasi sumige ya basu pikiba leite haina fongdokrai thoramasi matangda Bangladesh ki Prime Minister Tariq Rahman ge Foreign Affairs ki advisor Humayun Kabirna India ki laihawdagi swari sanana basiliba asigi matangda India ki oiba wafam kari leibigi habigi apandu Sendrot na ba wafam thamkraba matungda India ki External Affairs Ministry ki spokesperson Randir Jaiswal na wari sanabagi thawrang ngasi private media man asinbani haina fongdoke. Hauji fawda leiba muroi pausi matang solicitore nongthi pumni ta matamda hima pawlina phambiragani. Hauji fawgi laming tabri pumnamak tagi kaina bia thangni jari.